about how to integrate Spring Boot with Redis messaging broker. Okay, so in the last video we have discussed about how to integrate Spring Boot with Redis cache. Okay, so let me use Redis message broker here. So I'm going to generate this project by using Spring initializer here. Okay, so let me take this package name as Redis and Spring. Okay, boot Redis messaging. Okay, demo. So let me add few dependencies, that is web dependency, and we need Redis dependency here. Okay, so you can generate this project, you can import into your IDE. Okay, so I already imported this project. So here we need two things, guys. One is for like a sender and another one is for receiver. Okay, so we need a sender to send the message to this topic and we need a receiver to receive the message from the topic. Okay, so let me create this sender first. Okay, so sender. So here we need sender Java class. Okay, sender. Okay, so which will listen the messages, so which will use, okay, so I'm going to use Redis template here. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to use string Redis template. Okay, because I'm going to sending the string message here. So let me take this string Redis template and let me add public void publish. So publish the message. So we need a string message here. Okay, so and this string template will have a method like convert and send. Okay, so which will have channel, guys. We need to provide the channel name. So chart, I'm just taking name as a chart, and here the message that I'm going to send to that topic. Okay, that's it. So here I need receiver, guys. So let me create the receiver package. So receiver, and here in this receiver I need a receiver class. So okay, so this receiver will receive the messages. Okay, so public void, okay, so receive message. Okay, so this will receive the message. So string, so message. Okay, so message. Okay, so that's it. So finally, like, we need a few beans, guys. So okay, so that beans will use like for sending and receiving these messages. Okay, so first of all, like, I need string Redis template bean. Okay, so string Redis template. Okay, so this bean will use connection factory. Okay, so that is Redis connection factory. Okay, so let me Redis connection factory, let me return this new string Redis template. Okay, let me add this factory here. Okay, and finally, like, we need a receiver here. Okay, receiver bean. So receiver will return, okay, return new receiver. Okay, so yeah, so like we need like message listener adapter here. Okay, that message listener adapter will listen the messages. So let me take listener adapter. Okay, listener adapter. So this message listener adapter will have a receiver. Okay, so yeah, so let me return this message listener adapter. Okay, which will have this receiver and receive message method. Okay, receive. Okay, that's it. And so finally we need a Redis message listener container, so which will have like connection factory and message listener adapter. So that information I'm just setting here to this container. I'm just returning container. That's it, guys. So our sender receiver is ready now. So now we need a REST controller. So let me take this sender as a REST controller. So REST controller, and let me publish this by using post mapping. Okay, so let me take as publish. Okay, and here I need a request param to send this message on the post method. So request param, so I'm going to take some message here. Okay, that's it guys. So our sender and receiver is ready now. So in the application.yml you can just add this Redis configurations. So that is host name and password and port number. If you have password, you can just mention here. Okay, so let me start this application. You can just make sure that your Redis server is been started or not. So otherwise it will throws the error guys. Okay, so let me start this application and see whether it's working or not. Okay, so so you can find my playlist for this Redis guys. I have created like one video for each one topic, like Redis cache and Redis database and Redis messaging broker. So these are the 3 videos I have created. Okay, in the next video I'm going to create on Docker, how to Dockerize this Spring Boot with Redis application. Okay, it is started guys. So this is the endpoint. So I'm just posting here hello message. Let me hit it and see whether it's working or not. So we got the message hello. Okay, and let me hit it 2 or 3 times and see whether it's working or not. Yeah, continuously we are getting this hello. Okay, so this is how it will work guys. So if you like this video, so please do like and subscribe my channel. Thanks, bye, have a good day.